Hello folks, this is Gary Creeley with Creeley Blades. I have a really simple little video that I want to shoot here today. And it's about the sheath that comes with the Mako, the in-the-pocket sheath. It has the ulti-clip. And there's a couple ways in which the sheath can be a little trickier to use. So the first thing is, how far do you put the knife into the sheath? Sometimes I see people like this with the sheath. So the proper amount is roughly till the edge of the sheath is right about at the bottom of the last screw there. That's how far you want to go in. If you go less far than that, like, well, if you're like this, then it's not in there secure, and you're also taking up a lot more room with the overall package. If you go too far in, and this is an issue I've seen, you'll cut through here. Now, the second thing you want to be careful of, especially when it's new, once it breaks in, it goes in there like, it goes straight home and there's very little issue. But when it's new and you're breaking it in, you want to be careful if it's in your pocket how you are going at putting this thing in. I've had some people come out the side. So, if you go in like that and you're not careful, you could go in the side. So what I usually do when it's in my pocket is I literally hold the knife like this, go like that, and just sort of jiggle it till it's there. And after a while, it just wants to go home. And you can kind of rub that in a little bit so that it has a little bit of an indentation. And like I said, once it's broken in, it goes straight in, goes right to where it's supposed to be. Actually, this one's getting that way already. So that's the in-the-pocket sheath, and that is how you use the in-the-pocket sheath. So to recap, we want to be right about at the bottom of that screw. If you're in much further than that, you run the risk of coming out the end. And be careful about how you put it in so that it doesn't shoot out the side. I hope that helps. It's a really actually pretty good system, just a matter of getting used to how it works and breaking it in. Hope that helps. Take care.